Good evening, friends. Today is the first session on communication skills. First thing I want to tell you, communication is the art to express their views in front of others so that everybody will listen you by raising their ears. So to make other that they listen you must make your communication skill interesting, formal, and give proper information what you want to say. I am giving you the example for the importance of the communication skill. For example, if you're tapping your finger on the table and thinking a song, it yourself what you are thinking. And if you ask someone what you are thinking by guessing, then it is very difficult, or I can say it is impossible to think what you are thinking by tapping the table. So these examples give us the clue that we must have very clear cut and formal information to everybody what we want to say, so that misunderstanding have no room in your communication skill or your chat room. I am giving you another example. Let's consider a student who is very intelligent and get merit in exam. He also clear the exam of the competent services like civil services, or we can say Haryana civil services or any other services. But during interview time, if he fails to prove his competency, then he fails. He will not get the job. This is the importance of the communication. This is the difference between the communication and the intelligence. I am giving the another example. In politics also, we can take the live example. Our present Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi, when give some guideline to our Indian citizens, everybody follow it. Why? What is the reason behind this? It doesn't mean that he is the Prime Minister. It is the mean that he give the clear cut information to each and everybody of the Indian citizens. Why and what are the benefits and what are the losses if we follow and not follow the guidelines. So that is the example of the communication skills. That is the importance that have the importance in our daily life. What is the use of the communication? Similarly, if a businessman is unable to express in front of others what the services he is giving, then he fails. He will not be able to do his business. You may also see in the market also that some businesses going on very fast. Some shopkeeper are doing more and more business, and some are still keeping idle. What is the reason? That is the only difference between the communication skills. The shop who is running very in good manner is that the shopkeepers communicate to the customers in a way that he satisfy the customer, and other he fails in satisfying. That is the difference, and that is what we achieve by the communication skills. What I am going to understand you the importance of the communication skills. I hope that you understand what I am telling to you regarding the role of the communication skills. In today era, to become a leader in your field, whether you are doing the job or you are doing the business or you are doing the public dealing or you are an advocate or you are a politician, whatsoever be your profession, the communication skill is very very important. Very very important. In हिंदी, आई एम टेलिंग यू इन द हिंदी कि कम्युनिकेशन वो कला है चाहे आप हिंदी में बोलो या इंग्लिश में बोलो, लेकिन जब आप बोल रहे हो तब आपके मन की बात दूसरों तक ऐसे पहुंच जानी चाहिए जैसे कि उस बात को तुम खुद समझ रहे हो। जब तुम इस तरीके से अपनी बात को आगे रखोगे तो लोग तुम्हारी बात को सुनेंगे, और जब वो सुनेंगे तब वो आपकी बात को मानेंगे। तो today I am going to stop my words here because the video become the too large, but in the next video I am giving you the more and more I elaborate more and more regarding the communication skills. Hope so you enjoy it and you understand my concept, but I am requesting you, please subscribe it, like it and share it. Thanks. We will meet you in the next video. Bye.